Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss the highly recommended graduation course, that is a Bachelor of Vocation, also known as a BVoc in Accounting and Finance. First, what is a Bachelor's of Vocation in Accounting and Finance? Let's take a look. Bachelor of Vocation or BVoc in Accounting and Finance program is a highly specialized undergraduate degree program that equips students with the necessary knowledge, skills, and competencies to thrive in the fast-paced banking, financial services, and insurance sector. It is a 3-year program at the end of which you will get a degree from a UGC-approved university. The program has been designed to cater to the industry's requirements and prepare students for the fast-paced world of finance. The curriculum emphasizes practical training in accounting and finance. Graduates of the program have numerous career opportunities in areas such as banking, securities market, mutual funds, insurance, accounting, taxation, and so on. Let's look at the key main features in BVoc in Accounting and Finance. BVoc in Accounting and Finance typically covers the following areas. The first one is Fundamentals of Accounting. This subject includes an introduction to accounting principles, journals, ledgers, and financial statements. The second one is Financial Management. This subject covers the concepts and practicals related to financial planning, control, and decision making. The third one is Taxation. This subject is the study of direct and indirect taxes, including GST, corporate tax, and income tax. The fourth one is Auditing. This covers learning auditing principles and standards along with practical auditing techniques. Next one is Cost Accounting. This subject is the study of cost control, cost analysis, and budgeting. And the last one is Corporate Finance. In this subject, understanding businesses' financial operations, including capital budgeting and risk management. After completing the BVoc in Accounting and Finance program, graduates have a wide range of job opportunities available to them in both the government and private sectors. Some of the popular career opportunities in the BFSI industry include equity dealer, mutual fund advisor, loan approval officer, microfinance executive, financial analyst, investment banker, auditor, and tax consultant. The demand for BVoc in Accounting and Finance graduates is huge. They also receive better salaries and career growth. Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya offers BVoc courses with professional course like ACCA. One of the biggest advantages of pursuing BVoc against common degree courses in Lakshya is that a candidate has multiple exit points during the program and continued industry exposure. You will also get a 9-paper exemption for ACCA. Enroll today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.